Just got made it to the rolling loud area, trying to find out where the hell to go. We at Legend Sim. Yeah, we out here.
Foresight.
Do y'all still have tickets? Where you buy tickets? Can you buy tickets?
Ticket, right?
Yeah, buy ticket, yeah.
Would you like to regular or the VIP?
Regular.
Regular, right? Only one?
4. 3, 4.
3 or 4, right? Okay, I will check first.
Yeah, I'm checking for some friends.
Yes, just a minute.
The buddy was trying to get over on me. He was trying to charge me full price. And the chicks later on told me they got their tickets for 7,000 baht. And I think they was originally on sale for 15,000. And these wasn't no Thai chicks, these were Russian chicks.
Shit crazy, man. Everybody rolling in late and shit. I'm thinking like, I'm late to this shit. Hey, everybody just rolling in. Oh, that shit one thing. I'm like, what the fuck is that? That shit, bro. That shit crazy. Somebody cop.
Passport, please.
Passport.
Yes. ID card. Picture.
How many times we got to do the ID?
โทรศัพท์มีไหมคะ Thank you
ขับรถอยู่ในไทย
ไม่เป็นไรค่ะแม่
Listman
โอเค thank you
นี่ก็ฮันเดเล่โอเคโอเคขอบคุณนะคะ sorry นะคะ
Bro, I know, bro. They want to check your damn ID like 30 times, bro. Bro, that shit. Yo, just let me in. Alright, this is the last barrier entry, bro.
Okay. Go.
Boom.
But harassed me about this wand for my action camera. It's made out of plastic. Now the first guy didn't say anything,
No inside.
but I had to walk all the way back
No.
to go to this
Yes,
check-in
okay.
locker
Okay.
to pay a fee to have it stored until the end of the concert.
Yeah, you save box and deposit. Yes.
Deposit.
Yeah.
Oh my God, bro.
What do you say?
Tripping about this and going, bro.
About that.
So
Sorry.
It's okay, papi. It's okay. It's nothing wrong.
I need to get my shit back, bro.
It's okay. It's nothing.
No.
I give you 50 baht. I give you 50 baht.
Sorry.
All these hoes out here taking their little selfies and shit.
Look at this pig here, I'm standing beside you. Tell me his name now. I heard he was pyro. Confiscated the CDs and one of your own. For evidence, ever since we heard some of your songs. What about the pimp guy? He was on one of your songs. I could have sworn that he said he had a pocket full. Am I wrong? Hell yeah, I don't know who that is. I don't know the pimp shit. All I know is I'm rich.
Shit, I'm out here rolling loud and shit. Let's see what the hell I need to go.
It's not so bad. It's not so. Thailand, we really fucking with your energy, man. Cause you, Randy, why you just fucking up like right straight in this motherfucker, man? Let's go, man. What's up, man? Y'all got that shit fixed or what, man?
Rolling Loud is trash. Even before I came, I did some research on watching videos of other concerts, and they had a lot of technical issues. So this seems like there's a common reoccurrence with Rolling Loud in their concerts. They can't never seem to get things right when it comes to the quality and production of the show.
Anybody from out of town right now? Who from out of town right now? Who from Thailand right now? Thailand! Turn my shit up, man. Y'all niggas this close. Come on, man. Nobody can equal me. What you say, what you say, what you say? I'm gonna sip on this drink when I'm fucked up. I should know how to pick it. I'm gonna catch the rhythm while she push up against me. Ooh, she tips. I had enough combo for 24. I peeped you from across the room. Pretty little body dancing like go, go, hey. Cause you are unforgettable. Hey! I need to get you alone. Yeah. My God, I'm fucking good time now. I got a little drink, but it's not bad. If you love the girl, then I'm so sorry. I gotta give it to her like we in a. I'm crazy. Hey, fuck what the niggas be saying. Yeah, this could be us when she playing. This could be us when she playing. Oh shit, that's all I was saying. No piece of practice Mercedes.
2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Run it up, run it up, run it up.